Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. You have tuned in to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $250 in 1 hour. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. Now guys, you saw at the beginning of the video, I'm still doing the free money giveaway. So you new people that have never ever seen any of my videos before, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below or in the comments below to become eligible for the free money, because I'm giving out free money to 2 people once I reach 6,000 subscribers by the end of February. Now we have 2.5 weeks away to get to 6,000 subscribers. So guys, I need you guys to share this video and all my videos. Help me get these subscribers so I can give away this free money. Now, one other thing, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because something is going to pop up on the screen and you're going to need to pay attention and type that down in the comments below. And also I have a special bonus for you guys, so you better watch this all the way to the very end. It's really going to benefit you guys. So without further ado, let me go ahead and hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at the website and the name of this website is usertesters.io. I've never talked about this website before, and this is user testing site. I've talked about plenty other user testing sites, but this is a real good one, guys. It's very lucrative website, guys, to make some good money doing user tests. So let's just go over the website and learn a little bit about it. So earn money for testing websites right from your couch. So we connect tech startups with qualified candidates like you who are looking to test apps for an extra bit of cash. And you click here to apply. Later on in this video, I'll show you how to apply. And this is how it works. So you apply as a candidate, fill out the simple form with some questions, receive user testing requests to your email. Company's going to email you to schedule user testing sessions and offer incentives. And then you're going to get paid directly from the companies. Companies will pay you anywhere from $10 to $50 for your time. And your time is not going to be that long, guys. It's not going to be that long. And you're going to get up to $50. How does that sound? Now, this is what you need. You need either a PC, laptop, or a phone, Wi-Fi or internet connection. You need some free time, and you need a quiet place. So if you have a noisy house, you need to maybe go somewhere else, because you need a quiet place to do this user testing. Now, if you're new to user testing, right here, they just give you some basic definitions of to give you a better understanding of user testing. So user experience is a term for describing the experience of an app or service provided for users. And usability testing, a method used by technology companies to ask participants to perform a sequence of tasks and prototype a representation of a real user experience that helps companies see how you might react with an app, and user feedback, a description of what a user has experienced while testing a product. So these are some of the definitions of user testing, guys. Now, here's some of the questions down here. We already talked about how much you're going to get paid. And we already talked about how you're going to get paid. Now let's talk about the scheduling of the payment processing. So usertesters.io only connects qualified candidates directly with companies who are looking for people to test their product or service. Once a company reaches out to a candidate, it is expected that both company and candidate negotiate payment and scheduling. So you're going to have to negotiate the payment and scheduling with the company. So, as promised, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to sign up. So it only takes about 60 seconds. So all you do is click here. It's gonna take you to this page, and all you do is put your name, email address, what country you're in, what city, your age, and what type of device you're using, a PC, Mac, phone, or tablet, what type of browser, and you have access to a webcam because you need to get on a webcam and show yourself. And you gotta have a microphone, gotta have a good microphone so they can hear you clearly. And you must have a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, it's very easy to sign up. You just go to paypal.com and sign up. And plus they're gonna rate you on your technology skills. So hopefully you have some high technology skills, because that's gonna determine how many tests you get, guys. If it's very low, you're not gonna get that many. And they ask you if you're a male or female, and do you speak English. They looking for people really to speak English. So if English is second language, that's fine, as long as you're able to speak it fluently where they can understand what you're saying. And your industry, and then here's the time. So they have like an 8 to 5, like a normal job. Then they have weeknights. So if you don't want to do it in daytime, you can do it in the evening or nighttime, 5 to 10, or you can just do it on weekends, guys. So you can do it full-time or part-time. It doesn't matter. Then it says here how you participate in a user test. Have you participated in a user test before? You just put yes or no. Then that's it. Then click become a user and you're all set, guys. That's it. It's very simple. So that's how this works. This is a very, very good website to start doing some user testing work. And you can get up to $200, guys, because these tests is not going to last that long. And especially if you are good in technology, they're going to send you a lot of tests, and you're going to make $200 real quick. All right, guys. So if you're ready to go ahead and get started with this website, go to usertesters.io. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 200 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. And guys, please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this video all the way to this point. So, you lucky ones out there, you're going to like this. First, you need to type this number that's going to pop up on the screen. Type it down in the comments below. That lets me know that you watched this video all the way through to the very end. And hopefully you didn't skip anything and you understand the process and understand the method. Now, it's also going to help you increase your chances of winning free money, because I'm going to look at people that put the number down in my videos, in the comments from my videos, and also who was the first commenter. So that's why I said 2 people are going to win the free money. But right now, for you lucky guys that made it to this point, I need you to share this video and a couple of more videos. Because what I'm going to do, guys, if you share this video on your social media, I want you to go to my Instagram page, which is @AppGrind. Hopefully you have Instagram. Go to my Instagram page and DM me a screenshot of my video being shared on your social media. So if you have Facebook, or if you have Instagram, if you have Twitter, Snapchat, or whatever, or on, anywhere, just take a snapshot of it showing that you did share it somewhere on one of these social media networks, and do that for the next couple of videos that I drop. And I'm a Cash App or PayPal the one that DMs me the most times saying that they shared my videos, my next 2 videos, and I'm going to Cash App them $5 or PayPal them $5 if you don't have Cash App. So that's all you have to do, guys. So I just want to, give this money to one of you guys, and plus let you know that I really want to get to this 6,000 subscribers. So this might help you guys, will help me to encourage you guys to help this channel get there by sharing this video. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again for tuning in. I really appreciate it and appreciate your support. Let's go. Road to 6,000. Let's go. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.